Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick unboxing to do. I picked up this item from eBay. They put it in an Amazon bag. We're gonna check it out, see what it is. I'll explain what it's for, and we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so we're gonna just there's the pull tab right there. Alright. Bag is empty. And I usually keep these style bags in case I need to ship something. So these, I did show you guys that I had a similar item just like this. But the difference is these actually have two USB 3.0 ports on them. And the other reason I purchased this is because it also comes with the caps. I like to keep ports like this clean, and the one that I have up here that's been in my SR5 for years, it also has that cap. Cap didn't help on this one because when I flipped the truck, the SR5 in the car accident, lots of dirt and debris got in here. It's made the HDMI connection rusty, which I will eventually clean, but the caps work great. I've been using this for years. I connect it to the back of the stereo. This one I bought one for the SR5 and then one complete dual USB 3.0 for the Limited. And it comes with these brackets, and I technically still have this exact bracket in one of my catch-all cantilever containers that I throw extra pieces in. It's actually meant to, you literally thread this nut on the back of this housing. This one's an actual plastic nut though. Most of them come with a nut similar to this one. Which this one is, it's a lot harder than the original, but when these cables originally came out, these were really soft. So this one's a lot stiffer, so it's nice. It comes with a couple different options. You can actually attach it, so this is literally sitting. Put these down and I'll show you guys. Like that, and then you thread the nut on the back, and it basically makes it stationary. And then you can always attach this to it. That way there's a cover for it, and it would look like that. So they're nice complete units. You know, I only paid like $12 a piece for these, which isn't bad. It does also come with screws in each pack. Says ice spring 2-port USB 3.0 car mount extension cable 3 foot. So these are 3 feet, which is plenty for what I need. These I'm either going to attach to the stereo, or I'm going to attach to a USB hub in the vehicle. That way there's a couple fast ports in the vehicle, or both vehicles I should say. They're both the same thing. This one's the exact same thing. I just figured it'd be useful to have a couple high-speed USB ports, especially for these newer devices. Because I have one of the newer tough chargers from O'Reilly's. They did send a little information card of what I purchased and then a thank you. And it looks like, I guess, when I ordered it on eBay, maybe they have their own Amazon store. Maybe that's why they shipped it in an Amazon bag, which is no big deal. That's all I got for you guys today. Just a quick video of what was in the bag. I'm still waiting for some Bilstein rear shocks to show up. 5100 series shocks for the Limited, because it's got a lift. I'm waiting for the dash trim kit, the wood grain trim kit, and a couple other things I'm waiting for. You guys will see them as soon as I get them. Appreciate you guys watching. Please, as always, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. If you guys have any questions about these, let me know. The other style that I'm waiting to come in. The first set I showed you guys, I bought, was just like this one right here, where it actually has one USB port and then the HDMI port. Thing is the first set I bought of 2 didn't come with these little rubber caps. So I bought 2 more that ended up coming with the rubber caps. I'm gonna rob the rubber caps or use those, and then the other ones I'm just gonna have as spares. So there will be another video on cables that look just like this. They're going to be 6 feet instead of 3. They're going to have an HDMI and a USB port. But that's it. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!